In today's video, we are going to talk about how to make a multi-boot USB for all operating systems, Windows, Linux and more. Myself Mohammad Zubair, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro really fast. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, I'll show you that how you can use your one USB to use it for multiple bootable ISO files or multiple bootable operating systems. So for that purpose, we have to use some kind of tool. The tool that I'm going to use in today's video is Ventoy. From here, first of all, go to the tested ISO section. It will open the list of operating system and ISO files that are supported with this tool. So in terms of Windows, Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, 11 and different versions of Windows servers are compatible with Ventoy. And in terms of Linux, these are the Linux distributions that are supported. So almost every renowned and every prominent Linux distribution is compatible with this tool. So here we also have the support for Unix based operating systems, then Chrome OS, then other as well. Now to download it, go to the download section. And here we have two types of file that we can download. We have Windows based and Linux based, because obviously it depends that on which type of operating system you want to use this one. Well, if you want to use and make your bootable USB from Linux, then you should go with the second option. And as we are using it on the Windows operating system, that is why we'll go with the first option. So just click on this one. It will open up GitHub page. So from here, you have different releases of Ventoy that have been done till date. So here, as you can see, we have number of releases here. This is the latest one. So just click on it. And here we have all the information of that. And from here, if you scroll down, you have multiple options in here. Now I want to download it for my Windows. So that is why I'll download windows.zip file. You can also download the ISO one, but I'll go with the windows.zip. So just click on it. From here, just start the process. It will take only 10 to 15 seconds to complete it. After that, we'll open it and we'll see that how it works. So we are done with the download. I will just open it. And from here, you can extract these files or you can use it directly. I'll use it directly. So double click on file that says Ventoy to disk. I will just double click on it. It will extract it. Now, make sure you have your USB plugged in into your system. This is my USB and it is almost 16 gigabytes in space. After that, just click on install, and here it is alerting us that everything that is being there in our USB will be formatted. So just click on yes, because otherwise you will not be able to install it. Again click on yes, and now it has started the process and it will install our Ventoy onto our USB. After that, the process is really simple and I'll show you that how you can do it. So we are about to done with this one, and here we have a success message. So just click on OK and we are good to go. Now just close this one and go back to your USB. Now it's time to make our operating system bootable. For that purpose, just go to the ISO files that you have downloaded. So here I have 3 of them. I am going to convert Manjaro, Pop OS and Windows 10 into bootable ISOs. So I will just copy all of these and I'll go back to my USB, which is this one, and I will just paste all of these. After you are done pasting all of the operating system, you just need to unplug your USB and plug it back and go to the boot option of your computer or your laptop. Now I'll reboot my system, and from here I'll go to my USB. Here you can see I have 3 ISO files, or you can say I have 3 operating systems that are ready to be installed. So I can select any one. I'll go with the Manjaro. So I'll just select it, and here you can see the installation process has begun. And that was all about today's video. So please leave a like, subscribe and press the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.